माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी।
Sir, I've gone through in detail the points which the members who are opposing the introduction of the bill. I think instead of going into details of each one of the objections, I would like to highlight the point that at this stage of introduction, we are only making the bill to be sent over to the standing committee to do a complete review of it, the bill. From all the points that I've looked at, very clearly they are matters of discussion. They are very clearly matters which can be extensively debated in the standing committee, and none of which pertain to the legislative competence in bringing this bill. And therefore, at the time of introduction, to oppose it, in my view, which I submit in all my humility before the chair, are matters which are completely pertaining to be discussed in the committee. So at this stage, I don't think any one of the points which the honorable members raised stand merit to oppose the introduction. And therefore, I would like to still request you, sir, to allow the introduction and to be then allowed to be sent to the standing committee.
माननीय मंत्री महोदय, मैं यह सूचित करना चाहता हूं कि नियम 331 के अधीन किसी भी विधेयक को विभाग संबंधी स्थायी समिति को विचार करने के लिए सौंपने के लिए शक्ति माननीय अध्यक्ष को है। आपने यह आग्रह किया है कि इस विधेयक को विभाग संबंधी स्थायी समिति को विचार के लिए भेजा जाए। अध्यक्ष जी इस पर निर्णय करेंगे। प्रश्न ये है कि विधेयक को पुनः स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में है वो हाँ कहे, जो सदस्य विरोध में है वो ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। माननीय मंत्री जी अब विधेयक को पुनः स्थापित करें।
Sir, I introduce the bill. Sir, will you permit me, sir, to move that the bill be sent to the standing committee?
Yes, ma'am.
He said that the speaker will decide, but I haven't moved for the speaker to decide.
Speaker will decide. I will.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if you will allow me, the decision that you said from that very chair, sir, is that the speaker will decide. In my little understanding, in all modesty, if you will allow me to say, I move for the speaker to decide.
Thank you. माननीय सदस्यगण, नियम 377 के अधीन मामलों को सभा पटल कर रखा जाएगा। जिन सदस्यों को नियम 377 के अधीन मामलों को आज उठाने की अनुमति दी गई है और जो उन्हें सभा पटल पर रखने की
Sir, at the cost of repeating, sir, and please pardon me.
Please carry on.
Allow me to move it, and I will submit to the discretion of this speaker to decide what he wants to do with it. Can I move it, sir, please?
Please, ma'am.
Sir, I rise to move that the bill be referred to the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. The committee shall make a report by the first day of the next session if the speaker so desires.